Hey everyone, welcome back to another Midjourney video. So today we're going to dive deep into the world of fashion photography with Midjourney and discuss every possible type of fashion photography, which will include photography with respect to style, brand, shot types, lighting options, and material types as well. And not only that, I'm going to also be showing you how you can kind of create your own brand name with fashion photography and Midjourney. And make sure you stick with me till the end of this video because I'm also going to be showing you a way to create all the prompts with Midjourney that I'll be using in this video. So yeah. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and explore the world of fashion photography with Midjourney. Alright guys, so here I am in my Midjourney. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and start the fashion photography with the basic one. Then we're going to go ahead and step by step jump to the complex photography types, photography styles. So first of all, for the basic one, there's a very simple prompt formula, which is this right over here. So yeah, for the basic fashion photography, let's just say you want to create some fashion photography of your model in different lighting, different scenarios. So for that, you simply need to provide, first of all, the word fashion photography. That is really important, okay? So you will notice in the whole video, I'll be using fashion photo, fashion photography word first in every prompt, okay? So yeah, after that, you need to provide in your subject, then is wearing, then your outfit description, then your style, then your color palette, material type, physical property, year, culture influence, designer. So this will be our basic fashion photography formula, right? All right, so now we're done with the prompt formula. So let's just go ahead and type in some of the prompts, take the example and see how our output is going to turn out. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to say fashion photo of a male model wearing a tailored three-piece suit, classic 1920s style, monochrome palette, wool material, sharp tailoring, 2024, British influence by Tom Ford, okay? So this will be my first example. And then for the next one, I'm going to go ahead and take fashion photo of a female model wearing a flowy maxi dress and all the details. And you can play with the parameters as well. So let's just say for that, I'm going to select my aspect ratio as 3:2, okay? And you can like take your parameter as stylized, anything you like. But I think for these prompts, these are tailored very nicely. So you don't need to tweak with the parameters for these type of prompts, okay? So for the third example, I'm going to go ahead and type over here like fashion photo of a non-binary model wearing a structured blazer and white like trousers and all the details. And for the last one, I'm going to go ahead and say like fashion photo of a female model wearing a fitted leather black jacket. Oh, sorry, just jacket and skinny jeans and other details. All right. All right. So here are the results, you guys. So first of all, we have a fashion photo of a male model wearing a tailored three-piece suit, classic 1920s style. So yeah, this looks really, really good to the point. And the second one, we have a fashion photo of a female model with a bohemian style, all right? So you guys can see the aesthetic of these images, like the color is very natural. It's actually keeping some kind of, you can say, film tone. But yeah, looks really, really great. And then the third one, we have a fashion photo of a non-binary model wearing a structured blazers. And the style of that is androgynous, right? So yeah, this looks really, really good to the mark. You guys can see the lighting of the shade is very, very nice over here, right? And the last one, we have a fashion photo of a female model with a fitted leather jacket, and the style is black and white palette, right? Like punk rock style. So you guys can see that style is literally reflecting from these images. And yeah, all the results look really, really good to the mark, okay? Oh, so this was like a very basic fashion photography formula. So if we go ahead and jump one step further and go to a bit of a like normal complex one. So for that, our prompt formula is going to increase by brand. Like we have added brand and material type over here. So now our prompt formula is going to be fashion photography word again. Subject is wearing outfit description, garment name, style, color palette, brand, material type, physical property, year, culture, influence, and designer, right? So yeah, with that, I'm going to go ahead and try few more examples and see how, this extended formula is going to change our images now, okay? So for that, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and take this prompt, fashion photo of a female model wearing a chic, oversized blazer, dress, Balenciaga, 90s grunge style, okay? This is going to be 19 grunge style. So this is going to be my first example. And for the second one, I'm going to go ahead and say that fashion photo of a male model wearing a sleek tailored tuxedo Tom Ford, okay? Hollywood style. All right. And the next one is going to be fashion photo of a non-binary model wearing a bold. Okay, so this will be my third prompt. And the last one, the fourth one for that is I'm gonna go ahead and type over here that fashion photo of a male model wearing a rugged, disturbed denim jacket, Levi's vintage style. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and wait for the outputs for this one. All right, so first of all, we have fashion photo of a female model wearing a chic, oversized black blazer dress. And the style for that was 19s grunge style. That's why it's in black and white. But other than that, the results are looking very much 90s kind of white, right? Yes, it looks great for that one. Then we have fashion photo of a male model wearing a sleek, tailored tuxedo tone for it. And wow, these images look absolutely perfect, right? I'm really much liking the tone for style, or you can say the monochrome palette over here, like Hollywood style, right? Then the third one, we have a fashion photo of a non-binary model wearing a bold, deconstructed suit. So yeah, you guys can see we have a deconstructed, like very much looking like a new trendy fashion, but yeah, looks really up to the mark. And the last one we have a fashion photo of a male model wearing a rugged, disturbed denim jacket. So yeah, looks really good, absolutely perfect, right, you guys? And the styling that was like indigo palette, vintage style. So yeah, it basically showing the vintage vibe in the images, right? Okay, so now if we jump a bit further into our fashion photography, so now let's just say if you want to do your custom brands, like if you want to embroider your name into your fashion photography types, so how you can do that? So for that, our prompt formula is going to extend more and more now. So now we have added at the end, like with the brand, your brand name, which is going to be embroidered on position, like wherever you want that to be embroidered on the clothes or on the garments, right? So yeah, let's just go ahead and explore this option now. So for that, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and type in my prompt by that prompt formula, which is going to be fashion photo of a female model wearing a sleek body hugging jumpsuit. Then it says enter your brand name and modern minimalistic style, all those details with the brand name, your brand embroidered on the left chest area, or you can go ahead and change that according to your liking. Okay, so let's just say for the brand name, I'm going to type my name over here instead, and make sure you put inverted commas. Then over here, I'm going to change this to my name once again. And let's just go ahead and hit enter and wait for the output. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and type one more prompt right over here just to see how good it will perform. So again, on the brand name, I'm going to change that to, let's just say, Gucci, okay? And over here, I'm going to change that to Gucci as well. Let's just hit enter and wait for the outputs. All right, so there you go, guys. These are the results. So first of all, we have a fashion photo of a female model wearing a sleek, body-hugging jumpsuit. And yeah, we have our name embroidered on the left chest area. So it looks really good to the mark, you guys can see. It's really fantastic that it caught my name absolutely perfect. And the second one, we have like a male model wearing a rugged, oversized bomber jacket with the name Gucci embroidered on the back. So you guys can see, looks really good up to the mark. The results are absolutely fantastic, right? Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and discuss some different types of fashion photography. So first of all, we'll see how you can go ahead and differ with your fashion photography by including different shot types options. So yeah, in that, we're gonna go ahead and discuss low angle shot, high angle shot, close-up shot, and wide shot. And let's just go ahead and compare all this and see how, by putting just your camera angle shots, you can go ahead and differ in your fashion photography, right? So first of all, for the low angle shot, I'm going to go ahead and type in my prompt, which is going to be fashion photo of a female model wearing a sleek body hugging jumpsuit and all those details. And I've included like the shot is taken from a low angle, emphasizing her tall and commanding presence, okay? So this is my low angle shot. And then comes our high angle shot. So that I'm going to type, the shot is taken from a high angle, giving a unique perspective on his outfit. And it will be a male model wearing a rugged, oversized bomber jacket. This will be the same prompt right over here, right? So this is my high angle shot. And for the close angle shot, I'm going to type in my prompt that the shot is close up, focusing on the intricate details of the garment. So these kind of information are really important, all right? Just notice it and put it in your prompts in order to get the perfect shot options in your prompts. And then for the last wide shot, I'm going to go ahead and type that the shot is wide shot, capturing the full outfit and the surrounding environment. Okay, so let's just go ahead and wait for the outputs and compare that. All right, wow. So take a look at this. So first of all, we have the low angle shot of a female model wearing a sleek body hugging jumpsuit. So it looks really great. And then following that, we have the high angle shot. So you guys can see right over here, like, you really can like differentiate or compare both of these angle shot. Looks really, really good. It gives basically more option to your photography types. Then we have the close-up shot. So it looks absolutely great. And then the last one we have is the wide shot. So you guys can see if you go ahead and compare all of these, so there is a vibrant difference in all of these fashion photography types, and it basically gives a lot more, good options, a lot more good taste to your fashion photographies. All right. All right. So next, we're gonna go ahead and differentiate now with certain lighting options in your fashion photography. Like it will be for studio light, natural light, backlit, and soft light. Okay. So let's just go ahead and input prompts for all of these types and see how it basically, differentiate from each other in that, okay? All right, guys. So first of all, we have the output for studio light. Looks absolutely great. And then we have for the natural lighting. So it looks absolutely perfect. Very, very accurate results. And then we have the backlit. So you guys can see, the face of the model is pretty much dark because we have light in the back. Then we have the last one for the soft lights. So you guys can see, we clearly can see a soft touch on the face of the model because of the soft lighting in the image, right? All right, so next, we're gonna go ahead and now differentiate between fashion photography types due to different material options, like material of, the garments or outfit options, okay? So for that, we'll be choosing denim, leather, silk, and linen, okay? So let's just go ahead and input prompts for all of these and see how we can differentiate between the material types in our fashion photography, all right? All right, guys, so here we go. So first of all, we have the fashion photography of our denim jacket. You guys can see like complete denim outfit. Looks really, really great, right? Then if you take a look at our second material, so we have leather now. And you guys can see the images, the outputs for that are absolutely perfect. We have the images of biker leather jacket. And then the third one we have is of silk. So yeah, you guys can see we have now a silk gown, like a fashion photo of a non-binary model wearing a flowy silk gown. Looks really, really good. And then the last one we have is a linen, right? So yeah, looks absolutely great as well, right? So there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of different fashion photography types with different options, different prompt formulas. And now if you guys are wondering like how I went ahead and wrote all the prompts. So it's really easy. So if you want to go ahead and know that. So for creating the best prompts possible for Midjourney, so copilot.microsoft.com is the tool for you. You just need to provide a lot of information to the prompt box of the Copilot. Like I've told, write me prompts for image generation for this prompt formula example, and it will provide you the prompts right away. Then you can go ahead and input differently, like create me 4 to 5 prompts by including shot type, different low angles, and exact, and it will give you the prompts for that. So yeah, I just need to provide the details to Copilot and it will provide the prompts for you very, very easily, all right? So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.